Alright, so this is a gift, a Labubu mini keychain. It's a 10X from Pop Mart. As you can tell by the sticker and the QR, you can scan it. Alright, go ahead, Regime, you can open it. And
some crazy packaging.
it'll be a nice fancy bags.
Ooh.
Pen forever. And the whole just keep it moist that way. Moist. Wow, you got the gray color. Which one is that? W, I think.
W.
W.
Okay.
It's nice. You want to switch?
You have W too.
I have the fake one at my desk. This is the real one. This
okay.
is what's it?
R.
Or black one is R. Yep.
I'm looking sideways. Okay, I guess that's
You can keep that one, or you could switch to this one.
Oh, it depends. Which one you want?
Which one you want?
You rather have gray or you rather have black? I mean, this is fine.
All right, and that's pretty much it. What is this? Oh,
W. Ooh, thank you.
bye bye.